Hello everyone, I'm Nathaniel the First, and this is a test. Hello everyone. My week has been just up and down all around, and it's been silly, man. I just got done with my driver's education behind the wheel, where I actually drive cars, and I'm gonna get a thing mailed to me in 2 weeks, so I can go get my license. And yeah, I was on Lexi Oja's channel. And there's a new channel that I found of a friend. Her friend makes videos. Her YouTube channel is called Claire Bear Attack. I'll have a link in the description. And Lexi Oja, I gotta tell you something. The banana is rotten. Throw it out. Get a new one. Alright, everyone. I got myself some Pringles. I got a glass of water. I'm gonna play some Happy Wheels because I haven't played any gameplay in about a month and I feel sad. And I want you guys to watch some of my new stuff because mint condition's always good and refreshing after a while. So let's browse some levels and enjoy Nathaniel the First with a goal. We're watching the Spanish channel. I don't want to play that one. That one looks hard. Triangle Killer. Oh, is this one where you grab and you can move it? Alright, Santa, I'm gonna just roll over you. We got explosives. We're gonna climb. Come on, let's go. No, I don't want to fucking lose just because I can't climb. Okay, I got it. I got it. I learned how to climb. I read the directions right here, and it told me how to climb. Alright, my volume's a little loud, so I'm gonna turn my volume down because it's hurting my ears, and I don't want to hurt my ears. We're gonna go to a ball throw, and it's this person's second one. KZ Watermelon. Yes, it's possible to win. I'm gonna have a Pringles. Bicycle guy, let's do this. Alright. Oh shit, my hands are stuck. Nope, you have to have the Segway guy. Nope, his hands are stuck too. Alright, wheelchair guy. Alright guys, everyone, for this level you have to have the wheelchair guy. I died. No, I think I can still throw soccer balls. God damn it. No, I will not give up. Alright, the missile has passed. No, that sucks. Restart. And don't die, cause that would suck. Alright? I know you're not in your wheelchair, but it doesn't mean you can just fuck around and make me... God damn it, come on, let me throw the soccer balls. Alright, alright. Ah, come the crap on. I got more balls. I got more balls than Chuck Norris. And yes, that is hilarious, and... No, I died. I died. Alright. I'm done throwing balls in there. Let's check out the other levels. Minecraft Adventure. Okay, we got a tree. Oh, a tree. I guess... you can break trees in this level. We got a crafting table. We got a mine. You're a Minecraft, you found coal. Ah, skeleton! We found a skeleton in Minecraft. We need a diamond sword. Ah, it's a creeper! Creeper blew us up! No. Tree, you're supposed to fall this way. Tree, keep going. Keep going the frick over, alright? Alright, we're gonna survive the creeper, guys. Alright, we're in a desert biome. We're falling down. We got redstone, but we're dead, so we can't really do anything about that. I will not let Minecraft ruin Happy Wheels for me. Not that Minecraft has ever ruined Happy Wheels or Minecraft has been bad, but Minecraft has been a little tricky with the 1.6 updates. Hey skeleton. What the? I got sniped. I got sniped by a skeleton. No. No, I can't even get over this block. Alright, no. I'm jumping like a bunny. I'm like Peter Rabbit, except it's not Easter. Don't snipe me! Please don't snipe me. Well, alright, I can't get past that creeper. Gosh, I hate these pogo levels. Justin Bieber. I'm explosive. Ah, shit, I'm scrolling the screen. Alright. Woo! Oh, shit. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Let's bounce. I believe that I'm alive. Come on, Pogo Guy. You can still make it. You have so much to live for. You are good. Use your teeth. That's what she said. Alright. Let's get back. No, wait a minute. Alright, we're good. Let's get awesome. Alright, dude, you're awesome just like me. Now, what, Captain Sparkles? What? We need to get some Captain Sparkles, man. How the fuck are we gonna get like Captain Sparkles? I ain't as famous as Captain Sparkles. Do I press control with this? You know what? I pressed control and things didn't really go well for me. Let's try that again. Oh shit, my leg's stuck. Leg, stop that. Alright, my Pogo's not doing so good. Come on, Pogo Guy. You're awesome. No, oh, okay, wait. Alright, this guy's stuck. Pringle time. Love me them Pringles. 99.99% impossible. Oh, really? Oh, really? What up, harpoons? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Alright, they got me. No, dude, I can survive the harpoons. Let's go, harpoons. Now you see me. And now you stab me. Alright, let's try one more time. Let's see if the wrecking ball will hit me. No, I shall get past these harpoons. Yes, the harpoons are dumb. I am victorious. I'm victorious. I go out with a boom. Shh, Dad, I'm making a video right now. I'm 9 minutes in. I'll be right off in about a minute. Everyone, it's late at night, and I made a victory in the Happy Wheels, because I'm awesome like that. We're gonna exit the menu. We're gonna break some glass that is spinning, because, you know, you're supposed to do that when it's spinning. When glass goes meh, you're supposed to make it go crash and sparkle. And crackle. This guy has a glass boner. He got a vasectomy. He's getting a good vasectomy. I shall get a better vasectomy. What? Okay, I'm gonna need some velocity on this business. All right, let's get some more room, some more time for velocity. All right, don't stab my back. Glass, if you stab my back, I will hate you forever. And ever and ever and ever and ever. Brace yourself. Okay, I'm slow. You have to be hacking. Okay, I guess I'm hacking. Yep, I'm hacking. Let's take a drink. Hydration in the mouth. Everyone, I played a game of Call of Duty Black Ops 2 with a friend of mine, and it was split screen, and I was playing on the map, border. It was well, I can't remember the map name, but it was the place of the map was called Border Town, Kyrgyzstan. And I had the heavy gunner default class, and I was sniping people in this house. I got like 17 long shots. I had over 4,500 XP from just getting long shots in Call of Duty Black Ops 2, which I think is pretty fucking amazing. It's like White Boy. It's like White Boy 7th Street, except I'm not a sniper. You know? So yeah, I play good Call of Duty games, and I play good Happy Wheels. I got a Call of Duty World of War video. I'll have a link in the description for that, and my car crashed in this level, so now I'm gonna try to survive this one. We got bicycle guys. We're gonna go on a bike ride. We're gonna run over our clones. And I think I went the wrong way. Let's have a Pringle. I take my hand off the mouse for 1 second and I fucking crashed the whole bike. Let's eat all our food first. Dude, Pringles, you made me do stuff. You made a guy die. You made my hand go off the thing. And 1 second later, just some guy happens to die. I win! Alright, let's do another level. We got a slow-mo matrix. And that is how amazing I am. And we're gonna go to search. We're gonna search for a sword throw. Cause not a Happy Wheels video is never complete without a sword throw level being played. Let's go get some sword throws. And throwing the soccer ball doesn't count as a sword throw because they're not swords, they're soccer balls. And this ain't the Spanish channel where you watch the guy say go for about a whole minute, man. Come on, we have to have swords being flying through the air and like a little White Boy 7th Street Tomahawk. Or only use me blade throwing knife in the Modern Warfare. The levels are loading. I had a Happy Wheels video where I quit the video when the level loaded when it finally got up, popped up. I pressed done and the video stopped recording. So yeah, it's taking a while for these levels to load, so I'm just getting the video right here. It's been 14 minutes. Everyone, Nathaniel the First, check out Lexioja, check out that, wait a minute, what else to tell you? Check out, hell with it. You'll see you'll remember the beginning of the video. I'll have things in the description. Subscribe, like for more. Oh, here we go. Sword throws. You know what? Next episode will only be sword throws. Okay, guys? We're going to have 5 minutes of sword throws next episode. Alright? Goodbye. Like and subscribe.